Whether you're filming a car chase through the city for the next installment to your action trilogy, while in awe of the precise execution of stunt sequences, or in the midst of planning a new cooking video for your channel in response to high demand from viewers, the latest generation of film creation gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative film creation gadgets which will not only elevate the vision but keep you on track. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The Proaim Supergrip enables the capture of incredible motion shots from moving vehicles. The grip system utilizes powerful suction caps, which work in concert with a vibration isolator and 4 arms to aid the capture of smooth footage. It can be quickly mounted onto any moving platform, providing a stable and secure base for a camera gimbal setup, support arms or speed rails as heavy as 4.4 to 44 pounds. The Supergrip isolator system offers a solid grip that is reliable to execute those tricky moving shots confidently. The 8 powerful suction cups have a built-in hand-actuated pump system with a pressure warning indicator, and they grip like glue on any non-porous surface and firmly hold a setup when moving at high speeds. The integrated vibration isolator under the top plate absorbs the shocks, bumps, and high-frequency vibrations while dampening low-frequency oscillations. It is equipped with strategically configured shock modules with tension cables to support the gimbal and absorb inertial movements. These cable blocks can be combined in different configurations to precisely achieve the lift needed. With modular vibration isolation, a robust and reliable grip system and user-friendly design, the Proaim Supergrip makes for an exciting and versatile support for capturing footage at speed. The Freefly Alta X is a cinematic drone that allows for the use of complex camera and lens combinations. It has a payload capacity of 35 pounds, can fly a movie carbon for 20+ minutes, or a maximum payload for over 10 minutes. With smaller payloads, flight times can exceed 40 minutes. The craft folds to half its normal size with the push of a finger. The folding linkages also stiffen the booms to ensure low vibration and precise flight characteristics. Vibration is further significantly reduced by the active-blade design of the propellers, translating to lower fatigue on components, longer motor bearing life, less payload vibration for cleaner data collection, and of course better footage when shooted. With the optional industrial package, users can have Freefly support and Altarian's predictive maintenance suite monitoring the Alta X live and alerting the user of any potential issues before they become a real problem. With a valuable and distinctive combination of payload capacity, endurance, reliability, and ease of transport, the Alta X makes for a versatile cinematic drone which is equally at home when paired with the world's finest LiDAR, LED, and mapping equipment. This translates to a compelling solution for all levels of film production, surveying and agriculture, through to marine conservation and even medical delivery. The Proaim Bull is a telescopic gas lift bazooka for camera dollies. It enables comfortable and easy camera positioning without removing the camera, just by using the ratchet knob. When in place, the 360-degree clamp-on ensures a tight and rigid lock-off. Boasting a 2-stage riser, the stand incorporates massive strength, quality construction, and ultra-versatility into its modular design. The high-grade aluminium construction offers a stable platform for camera rigs with a load-bearing range of 44 to 99 pounds. With its gas lift spring technology, the bazooka makes it easy for professional video makers and cinematographers to raise the height of their rig camera from 18 inches to 34 inches, while still maintaining X-axis movement when required. The stand features Euro element mounts at the top and bottom, allowing it to connect to a range of camera dollies. It provides a myriad of camera mount configurations using additional separately sold mounting accessories. This professional, stable, and versatile bazooka provides easy and quick adjustments with a mounted camera setup. Extremely functional and robust, the CNC aluminum construction ensures reliable operation. effective when used with larger cameras, jibs, dollies on rails, and carts. The Proaim bulb provides a safe and affordable means, assuring quality and replicable shots when needed. The Panasonic Lumix BS1H is a very compact, powerhouse cinema camera targeted at true filmmakers. It provides a small form factor with outstanding spec and I/O. That means it can be used by solo filmmakers right up to big productions. It's constructed of aluminum, which provides a good weight in the hand, while not actually being heavy to hold. The full-frame 24.2 megapixel sensor can capture 5.9K in 10-bit 4x2x2 up to 25p, while 4K Cine and UHD 4K can record up to 60p. The unit features a comprehensive array of ports, including 3G SDI out, HDMI, BNC timecode, BNC Genlock, and RJ45 LAN for streaming. SD cards with a dual slot configuration are also supported. It is powered by a single Panasonic AGVB R59 battery and will last a good 2 hours or more before depleting. 9 3x8-inch mounting options are included across the camera's 3 most prominent positions: top, left, and right. It also features 2 3x8 tripod mounting options, enabling a number of quick-release plates, assuring compatibility with a fluid head system. Boasting a comprehensive I/O array, extremely portable design, and multiple recording formats and resolutions from 5.9K to 4K and anamorphic support, the Panasonic Lumix BS1H makes for an outstanding alternative. Whether you're into fitness and recreation, urban exploring, hockey, or even SUV off-road adventures, inline skating embodies the embrace of freedom while rolling without rules or restrictions to explore new horizons. The POWERSLIDE Zoom Candy Pink 80 are innovative, high-quality inline skates with bulletproof durability, fresh design, and versatility. The Zoom Skate family has quickly become a sought-after urban freeride, known as a reliable hard boot that can stand up to even the most intense urban skating. Featuring a strong and supportive cuff, along with the super comfortable dual-fit liner that covers 2 full-foot sizes to allow skating with ease all day long, this fun freestyle ride helps improve balance, is an excellent cardio workout, and even helps support good mental health. With a lightweight and durable aluminum frame, as well as grippy 0.15 by 3.14-inch 85 hurricane wheels and smooth-running Wicked ABEC 7 bearings, the Candy Pink 80 provide a fast, agile, and stable setup. From cruising through the city to enjoying the tranquility, through to racing with friends and creative endeavor, these skates provide a means. The POWERSLIDE Zoom Candy Pink 80 deliver an affordable alternative design for beginners and intermediate skaters, looking to enjoy both filming and experiencing the urban landscape with speed and agility. So guys, if you are looking for a film creation gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.